Installing air source heat pump. Do I need planning permission for a heat pump? Heat pumps are generally classed under permitted development, meaning they don't generally require planning permission, although we encourage customers to check with their local planning authority prior to starting their heat pump journey. Are heat pumps noisy? As you would expect, heat pumps do make noise. Every installation must pass MCS noise assessment calculations. We carry out these calculations when we complete the technical survey. During normal operation, you won't notice noise from a heat pump. Do heat pumps keep my house warm? Just like a conventional heating system, a heat pump installation is designed to keep you warm all year round. Heat pumps can work in temperatures as low as -30 C. During our technical survey, we take all the information required to make sure your whole heating system is optimized and upgraded to give you home comfort. How much pumps cost? A well-designed heat pump coupled with upgrades to the whole heating system will result in savings and energy costs. The upfront capital cost is often more expensive than a boiler replacement, although costs can be offset through funding. What funding is available for an installation? All homeowners can take advantage of the government's Boiler Upgrade Scheme bus. This is a one-off installer lead grant of £7,500 towards the installation of a heat pump. Need more information? Contact Now Eco Northeast Boiler and Insulation Grants.